Let's see how it's done. Typically everyone uses ChatGPT, Claude for content making, and another interesting tool called Perplexity. For this particular experiment, I'm gonna choose Perplexity. Why? Over here you can see under settings, if you create a free account, this particular platform uses Claude, GPT and Sona together to come up with their content. So let's use that. And then if you try to go to GPT and enter something like this, what is AI-powered SEO? Enter. It's gonna give them so much of content. Copy this content, and I always check my readability score of that particular content. This is a free tool under webfx.com, and then always choose to check your readability. Now it's gonna give you some information, which is statistics, which is not that great. Now let's go to Perplexity and do our magic. What you guys gonna do is copy paste this prompt exactly and create H2, H3 headlines and what AI powered SEO, which would be my topic, and you guys can choose whatever topic you want and include these into your prompt and click enter. It's gonna give you some information. Try to paste it on a Google Sheet. And now use some more prompts. This is the second prompt, guys, and this is key components, feature snippet target, implementations, top user challenges. And now it's furthermore drilling down into more information. I'll copy this as well. Perfect. Another level of prompt, which is step-by-step guide, features, ROI, case studies, troubleshooting common issues. Now it's the final touch, guys. Just before one small magic happens, but this is full FAQs directly from people. Also ask, add competitor stats, top 3 results, insert your unique case studies. Okay, now just copy this and paste it onto your sheet over here. The entire content, paste it over here under Perplexity and write down organize the content. Awesome. Now if you try to use this content and paste it and calculate readability, 62.4. That's awesome. That's crazy. So that's how you do it. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to it, and I'll make many more videos like such. Thank you so much.